Hello my friends, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Dilan from Real Start. Okay, today I'm ready to give you lesson number 7, seventh lesson. In this lesson, you are going to learn about my phone charger. What? My phone charger. Okay, I'm going to explain about my phone charger. I'm going to describe about my phone charger. My phone charger. Okay, tell me what's the name of our new lesson series? This lesson series name? Tell me the name. Let's speak broken English. Let's speak broken English. Okay, if there's a newcomer to this video, if there's a newcomer to my channel, please go to my introduction video and please come back to this video again. This is a special message for newcomers. Are you ready? Now I'm ready to explain about my phone charger. I think you're ready. Okay, if you're interested, continue watching. Okay my friends, now I'm ready to explain about my phone charger. I use broken English to describe my phone charger. Right, okay. My phone charger. This is my phone charger. This color is black in color. We can see very long wire, and wire is not strong. Actually it is very thin wire. It is very thin wire also black. See, there is a small jack to connect to phone. You can connect this to phone, and this part you can connect to current, and your phone is charging. Very good. I think this is very small charger and not heavy. This is not heavy. You can see some names printed there, white color. I'm not going to read it. There are some numbers and names. There are two ports, I mean two pins. Then you can connect it to main current. And this is very valuable thing, charger. If you have a charger, you can charge your phones. Not only phones, power banks. You can charge anything. I think you can take this charger to anywhere. When you go to your office, you can take charger and go plug and charge your mobile. I think we can charge only smartphones. Sorry, no, not only smartphones. Small phones also we can charge. I have a small phone. I'll show you how to connect the charger. This is a small phone. Then I can connect it like this. See, see now my phone is connected to this charger. Then you can charge it. That's how I think charger is very important and very useful, because your phone every time, sometimes battery going down. You are making calls, you are calling someone, battery is going down. If you go internet, WhatsApp, Viber, Facebook, when you call, chatting, messaging, battery is going down. Then you want a charger. Then you can charge your phone. And then charger sometimes damaging, fall down, and not good, damaging. This is made of I think plastic. This is plastic and plastic. Anyway, this is I think this is not expensive. I think you can go to mobile shop and you can buy a new charger if you want. I think about 500 rupees this charger. So I think good. You can buy a charger and you can charge your phones. I have I think 3 chargers I have. My home 3 chargers. My father, my brother, my charger. 3 chargers. 3 chargers, and we can charge phones, everything. I think if you have a charger, then you charge phones, you charge power banks, okay. But after charging your phone, please remove it, remove from the current, remove from current. Good advice. You can power save power, you can save power. You plug and you charge phone, okay. Finish charging, you unplug this, you remove it and keep somewhere, right? And I think you can understand everything. Now you can explain about your charger. I think you have 2-3 chargers, sometimes 1 charger, okay. You take charger and you explain. So I think this is a very important thing for me, and this is very useful to my life. Okay, my friends, now I explained about my mobile charger. I think you all can understand what I said, right? Because I used only broken English, or sometimes I used good English. Okay, my friends, now I'm going to finish my today's lesson. If you have any questions, doubts, issues, problems, you can call me. You can use my contact number, 07146434424. If you like this video, please share this video among your friends. Then they can learn English. They can learn spoken English. Okay, I hope to see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care.